Hey, it's Jeff with Century 21 Ocean. Beautiful oceanfront condo to share with you today. 2-bedroom. Beautifully updated. Great color palette in here. Close walk to the pool and the ocean crossover out to the ocean as well. Nice amount of natural light. Well-maintained complex. They've done concrete restoration in here in the last couple of years for the community, and part of the HOA fees includes maintenance of the HVAC system. Laundry hookup. Beautifully updated bathroom. Super clean, turnkey unit. Great location, well-maintained complex.